The Huawei P30 Pro mobile features a 6.47-inch display with a screen resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels and run on Android v9.0 Pie operating systems. The device is powered by octa-core processor paired with 8 GB of RAM. As far as the battery is concerned, it has 4200 mAh battery. Over that, as far as the rear camera is concerned, the mobile has a 40 megapixel plus 20 megapixel plus 8 megapixel camera. Other sensors included light sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope, etc. So does it have finger vision sensor? Yes, it does. For graphical performance that can make games run smoothly, the phone has got a Mali G76 MP10 GPU on board. Storage, it has 256 GB up to the opinion to expand the memory by 256 GB. Design is one of the most important factors when it comes to mobile. The mobile phone is 8.4 mm slim and weight 192 grams. Huawei P30 Pro price in India. Huawei P30 Pro is currently available for 71,999 in India. So guys, hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and please do comment guys, because we need an comment for make and future videos. Which mobile do you want and which your specification do you want? Please comment us so we will make the same videos that you want. So guys, once again, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye, see you, tata.